Hi friends, I'm Dr. Shirish Ghanta, specialist radiologist working at Ibin Sina Medical Centre, which is located in Ajman. I have been in this field for over 10 years right now, and my areas of interest are fetal imaging and musculoskeletal radiology. Well, today I would like to talk on what is radiology, how is it important for a person in his day-to-day life, and what are the different equipments or modalities we have in our center here in Ajman. So first, what is radiology? Radiology is a medical specialty which uses imaging tools. So imaging tools in the sense we have X-rays, we have ultrasounds, we have CT, MRI. So all these are the different imaging tools which helps us to scan the patient and come to a diagnosis. And not only coming to the diagnosis, it also helps us to monitor the progression of the disease or the pathology which we have identified, and in turn helps the clinician overall. So now coming to the different modalities in radiology and what the things we have in our center. The first and foremost is we have the X-ray equipment. The X-ray equipment here in Ibin Sina is updated version, and in here we have the more clarity images which we can see clearly in all the X-rays which we take. And why do we have to take X-rays? The reason why we take X-rays is, example, a patient comes with cough. The doctor wants to know how far the lungs are involved. Or if there is a chest pain, the doctor wants to know whether the cause is in the lungs or in the heart. If the patient has had an injury, we want to know where is the site of injury. Is there a rib fracture anywhere? Or is there a fluid collection anywhere in the lungs? So all this can be known through a basic investigation called X-ray, which is very cheap and feasible. And other important things which are important in X-ray is a patient can come with neck pain or back pain. So we can know the amount of degeneration in the spine just by taking a simple cervical or lumbar X-ray. Similarly, any case of acute abdomen where you're suspecting a perforation of the bowel or any obstruction of the bowel can be easily diagnosed by a single erect abdomen X-ray. So coming to the other modality, that is ultrasound. If you see ultrasound, in ultrasound the advantage is we have no radiation. It uses sound waves and it's completely painless because it's non-invasive. And the feasibility of the ultrasound makes it a very important tool to diagnose various pathologies. A patient can come with upper abdominal discomfort being treated for gastritis, but when you do an ultrasound, we can know that he's having a gallstone. Similarly, he might have back pain. And by doing an ultrasound, we can know exactly where is the stone, whether it's in the kidney or in the ureter, and exactly how much obstruction is there, whether it can be treated by medical management or by surgical procedures. Similarly, female pelvis is very important because we can see the ovarian lesions, the fibroids in the uterus. So all these things, in case of acute abdomen, the appendicular pathologies can be seen very clearly on an ultrasound. And if you come to ultrasound, it is one of the most important modality when you come for imaging of the baby or the fetus, because based on ultrasound we can diagnose the pregnancy, we can monitor the growth, we can see for anomalies, we can also rule out the genetic things by doing a simple examination called the NT scan measurement. And also the blood flow in the fetus can be monitored by Doppler imaging. So all this makes ultrasound a very important tool to help the clinician to diagnose your problems in a better way. If you come to the third modality which we have, and that is the OPG, also called orthopantogram. This is nothing but a complete X-ray of your jaw, the upper and lower jaw, where you can see all the teeth clearly. The teeth which are not even seen outside or unerupted can be seen by an OPG, and this will help the dentist treat you better. So finally, what I would like to say is, the best investment what you can make is on yourself and on your health. And what is inside the body is what is important, and that inside of the body can be seen clearly by the use of radiology equipment. So I would like to conclude by saying that take care of your health and use these modalities to screen your body so that you can live a stress-free life. Thank you.